Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to update the Bitmart app on your mobile device. Keeping your app updated is very crucial for security, performance and accessing new features. So let's jump right in. First, open your App Store for iPhone or Google Play Store for Android on your mobile device. Now tap on the search icon, usually located at the bottom right corner. Now tap the search bar at the top and type Bitmart. Hit search. Once you find the Bitmart app, tap on it to open the app details page. If there's a new update available, you will see an update button instead of open. Simply tap update and wait for the download to complete. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or have sufficient mobile data. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically install the latest version. This might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. After the update is finished, you will see the open button. Tap it to launch the latest version of Bitmart and enjoy the new features and improvements. And yes, that's how you update the Bitmart app on your phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.